So we got everything cooked up. We seared the Impossible Burger. We seared the beef. So these are the two. You've got the regular beef here. And you got the Impossible Burger here. So you can see the little bit of difference there. This one looks more like a sausage patty. It's a little bit smaller, but you know, this one's about a half a pound. This one's 4 ounces. So this is the inside of the beef. It's rested, so it looks a little more well done. This one is the Impossible Burger, and I give it to them. It does look like meat. It looks more kind of like a mystery meat patty than anything. But smell, let's see. This smells like burnt popcorn, like my son said. This one smells like beef because it is beef. It's not a mixture of God knows what. They say it is. Let's see. Water, soy protein, concentrate, coconut oil, sunflower oil, natural flavors. Who knows what that is? Potato protein. So a lot of things. So if you are interested to see what is inside this thing that I'm about to eat, go and check out the Impossible Burger website. Again, it does not smell like beef. Feels like beef. I'll give them that. It does feel like beef after it's cooked. It doesn't feel like beef before it's cooked. But it does not smell like it. So we're going to see what it tastes like. So, all right. So I've got the Impossible Burger here. Let's see. All right, that was weird. It tastes like a burnt popcorn sausage patty. I don't know if you've eaten like Dunkin' Donuts breakfast or sausage patty, the texture of that sausage in there, sausage croissants and whatnot. That's kind of like what the texture is, or if you know, I'm sure we've all had the McDonald's sausage at some point. So similar texture to those. It tastes like burnt popcorn for sure. I mean, the more that I sit here and kind of run my tongue around my mouth, it definitely tastes like that. And I'm not a big fan of burnt popcorn. I don't know about y'all, but it's not terrible, but it's not something I'm going to be buying again. I kind of knew that going into it, but why am I going to get a substitute for beef when I can buy beef? So, but yeah, I mean, consider texture. It's a little strange. It does taste processed because it is. And flavor, if you put a tomato and lettuce and stuff on there with some ketchup and mustard, it's probably not going to be that noticeable, and it's probably going to be decent. You'll probably feel like you're eating a Hardee's or McDonald's hamburger, to be honest with you, but or a Burger King or whatnot. But it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm going to put it that way. So here's real beef. Let's see. Oh. All right. All right. That tastes good. Yeah, that's good. That's not as good as if you would have got it from the farmer, a local farmer down the road, or slaughtered your own beef. But these aren't that bad. These are pretty good. Some of these packaged beef hamburgers, not worth the wrapping they're wrapped in. Some of them are absolutely terrible. This one, the Steakhouse Organics, is not bad at all, especially for the price. But Ryan, you want to try this?
Sure.
Give me your opinion.
Sure, why not?
Okay. So this one right here is the Impossible Burger.
All right.
This one right here is the regular burger.
All right. Yeah, like you said, burnt popcorn for sure.
Any other ideas about it? Would you eat it again?
No.
No? Why not?
No. Just doesn't taste like the real thing. It's off. has a very strange taste. If you're looking for the actual taste of a burger, just go and eat one, honestly. Or just take a bite out of one, because this is not what you want if you're looking for something like that. It's a lot better. Mainly because it's not plant-based or processed.
It's true. I mean, there's probably some processing on that because it's not from the local.
Well, yeah.
farmer,
It might not be local farming fresh, but better than something plant-based.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, there you go. That was the Impossible Burger. Again, I'm not gonna buy this again. It's not something that I will repurchase. I'm glad that I got a chance to try it for sure. You know, I'm definitely not one to knock something before I try it, even though I did knock this a little bit before we started this. But since I've tried it, my opinions about it have changed slightly. I think it is a good alternative for someone that has a medical issue or religious difficulty with eating beef. So those are good. But if, again, like Ryan said, if you want something that tastes like meat, feels like meat, and looks like beef, you're better off just eating beef. If you're vegan, I respect that, but I mean, you know, yeah, maybe this would be your thing, but most of the people that I know that are vegetarians, they're either vegetarians for the texture of it, so they're not going to be eating this, and they're either vegetarian for religious or medical reasons. So anyway, it's not bad, not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm not going to eat it myself, and you know, this will give you guys kind of an idea of what it is like. So now you don't have to go try it if you don't want to. Now, if you want to try it, go ahead, but and you know, let me know what you think of it. It definitely is not what it's said to be. It doesn't taste like beef. It doesn't look like beef. For the most part, and it definitely doesn't feel like beef, at least not out of the package. So hope this was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, if you liked it, definitely hit the subscribe button, and we'll have more stuff like this coming down the pipes. And you know, make sure you check us out on the Instagram and Facebook. Also, check out the website if you haven't done that yet, which is www.sizzlingarrow.com. Sign up for the free membership. You can get some recipes and first to know of different events and stuff that are coming up. Cooking classes, we're going to start doing those via Zoom here shortly, and you'll get the monthly newsletter. So check us out there, and I appreciate you tuning in, and y'all have a good night.